differentiate h of x equals 4 over ln of x. Now, we could use the quotient rule here, and you're more than welcome to do that, but I am going to rewrite this as 4 times ln of x raised to the negative first power, and I'm going to use the chain rule here, which I think is going to be simpler than the quotient rule. So let's take a look at the derivative. H prime of x equals, well, that 4 is just going to stay out front. And then we've got a composition of functions. We've got ln of x to the negative first power. The outer function here is u to the negative first. So the derivative of that is going to be negative 1 times u, which is going to be ln of x to the negative second. And then we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And so when we simplify things, it looks like we're going to have that negative out front. And I'm going to put the 4 in the numerator. And then in the denominator, we've got that x. And then we've got times ln of x squared. Because we know that that negative exponent brings it into the denominator. So the 4 stays in the numerator. The negative 1 gives us this negative out front. And then in the denominator, we've got the ln of x squared and also the x down there. So we get this. I'm sure you would get the same thing if you use the quotient rule, but I like this a little bit better. But by all means, go through and give the quotient rule a try and see if you get the same answer.